Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to record screen in Skype application. So how to record screen in Skype application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. To create an online meeting here there are several ways. The first way, by using the meeting link in Skype. Go to the menu, Calls. Then go to the New Call menu. Select the contact to be called. Then tap Call. And select Audio Call. Well, here you are already in the call or online meeting. To screen record in a call or online meeting, we can show the cursor to the bottom left of the screen and tap the screen record icon to start it. Tap Stop Record if you are finished. On this page we can also take a screen/photo of our profile. This is usually as a basin or important picture taking. How to? Point the cursor to the bottom right. Enter the More menu. And tap Take Shoot Snap. When finished. To find out the video here you will automatically find the video in the chat made by Skype. Here we can see the screen record results. Already visible here. Tap to see or play it. Well, here the results are visible from earlier. Here you can also send the record results by tapping the airplane icon next to the image or video. Now here tap Send to the contact you will send the record file to. Next here I will save the video and screen record image results. Tap the three dots on the right of the video or image. Will be finished several options. Here there are two ways to save the file. Tap Save to download. Now the file has been downloaded. Open the Windows folder and enter the download folder. Now here we can see the results of the save record earlier. The second way to save. What .3 on the right of the video or image? Will be finished several options. Tap Save As. Now here you will be directed to select the location folder to save. For example, I choose the video folder. Tap Folder. Now here we can also change the file name. And tap Save. Then enter the Windows folder. And enter the location where the save was. Well, here there is already a video and with the name that we edited earlier. So that's it. Tutorial how to record screen in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.